me back to just the way we were.
Yeah, boy, I burnt your pizza.
See what I mean?
Fuck that, man.
What does it take to be a true trotter? Find out if you could be a member of that noble club online at uktvgold.co.uk. And we're heading back to Peckham next here on UK TV Gold for more horse-related foolish shenanigans.
What you been doing? Wait, what you been doing? Do you like the music?
Jack, you've been naughty boy.
It's got to live. It's got to laugh.
Have you been naughty?
It's got great big glitter balls. The American smash hit Dancing with the Stars is coming. Starring Mel B, Jane Seymour, Marie Osmond.
Going to the bin.
Dance Off Spectacular. Dancing with the Stars, the new series.
Sorry, go and go.
Exclusive to UK TV Gold.
It's new, it's now, and it's wow! The hottest cooking seltzers are all at DFS, like this for just